Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to review your autonomous vehicle test logs on the Ardipilot's Plot website easily. First of all, we need to download the log file in binary format from the flight controller. Open QGround Control software and connect your flight controller. From the Log Download tab in the Analyze Tools menu, select the log files you want to review and download them to your computer. There are some other tools, such as Mission Planner, for reviewing log data, but you may need to convert the file format. I prefer Ardipilot's web tools because they're easy and quick for reviews, and they have nice visualization features for your tests. Open the plot.ardipilot.org website and upload your binary log file. Once the upload finishes, your test will be displayed on a 3D world map. If you also have GPS data in your file, you can choose a 2D map as well for review. The dotted lines and numbers represent the planned waypoints, while the continuous lines show the actual path followed by the drone. When you press the play button, the plot tool will start to replay your test. You can watch your test as if it were in real life. You can zoom, move around, and change the view angle. Try it yourself. For autonomous vehicles, it's also important to observe parameters and events during the test. Parameters consist of all the data, including events such as voltage, current, GPS, attitude, statuses, and more, recorded during the test. Events include the flight modes, errors, warnings, and statuses. By inspecting all these in detail, you can tune your flight controller parameters and fix any issues. In the plot section, let's add battery voltage and current, plot them on graphs, and inspect how much current was drawn during each flight mode. You can also add other windows, such as messages for events and attitudes, and monitor them all at the same time. Thanks for watching.